What's good, people? I'm in the south of Cebu, a province called Ronda. Here, I found a very special Airbnb. I could tell you how beautiful this place is, but I'd rather show you. So welcome to Les Maison D'Itac. Welcome to the villa's bedroom. It's got some beautiful artwork. I don't even know what size that bed is. The bed is huge. Lots of space here for you to put your clothes in. Drawers. Is this a heater? No, it's an air purifier. That's quite rare in hotels. I appreciate that. Oh wow, come look at the bathroom. Multiple private villas and rooms for you to choose from. Just a stone throw away from the ocean. An ocean which has clear water, a calm current, and an incredible view of the clouds and mountains. What do you think of this Airbnb?
I love it.
Love it. What's the name again?
Les Maison D'Itac,
D'Itac. And D'Itac is the name of
the house of the dog.
a house of the dog. So the dog's called D'Itac.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get a video of the dog.
The fat dog looks like a pig.
I love that dog.
Yeah. I think he's obese. Could
What,
be.
sorry?
Obese.
Obese. Yeah, definitely. He's like me.
At least you're tall.
Next up, we have the bamboo house. This bamboo house is beautiful, and you see the cracks in the bamboo. They allow through airflow, the breeze from the sea. Oh man, this place is so well designed. Now let's go upstairs. Wow. This room is beautiful. It has lighting for nighttime. Nice dim lighting, it's not too bright. A fan with a rocking chair. I really like the design of the patterns in the wood, and also the seashells creating these fractal patterns framed, and they keep the design as you go into the bathroom. Even the mirror has these really beautifully designed seashells. And this whole time, you cannot hear anything, no noise pollution, just the waves outside. I love it. I love this place so much. So glad they have grilled chicken. I think a lot of the Philippines, you can only find Jollibee, McDonald's. Hard to find some healthy food. As soon as it started raining, the helpful staff came to bring us umbrellas. We didn't even need to ask. Then, just 15 minutes later, it was dry and sunny again. Check that view. Give it a big swing. Do a 360. Okay, let me have a go. Bad job. The ambience of the area is just taking over everybody. So no one in this whole area is partying. No one's loud. Everyone's just chill, listening to the sound of the waves. So even if you're stressed and your life is not relaxing, you have a lot going on, you can lay down here and you just forget everything. Amigos. Now, I will give you an overview of my day. Recently in my life, I had felt a lot of stress and pressure. I was overthinking and finding it hard to switch off my thoughts. But as soon as I arrived here, my energy was calmed by the ambience of the location. There was no sounds of loud music or traffic. All you could hear was the sound of waves. This was one of the most relaxing and enjoyable places I have ever stayed. This extremely well-managed accommodation took me to the peak of relaxation. The staff were happy, attentive, and helpful. The food was delicious, perfectly cooked, and cheap. In this episode, I stayed quiet and I let the videos do the talking because everything here is beautiful. So if you're ever in Cebu, make sure to visit Les Maison D'Itac. A huge thank you to Brian for making this happen. Thank you for watching and make sure to like and subscribe to see more.